how to open Task Manager on your MacBook Pro M4, M5. Now what you want to do is on your desktop, we go to the top here and click on Go. Then we go down and click on Utilities. In Utilities, you want to open up Activity Monitor. So on the MacBook, Task Manager is called Activity Monitor. Double click on that. And here you can scroll down. You can sort your task or activities by process name, CPU time, and threads, and so on. Okay, here, once you found the activities, you can end the activities and you can view it. Here we can open it up and click on the quit button. Then click on force quit. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.